YouTubers have said plenty of times that anyone is able to create hundreds of dollars, thousands even, just for the act of watching videos. However, if you have been following my channel, you would be informed that this is not true at all. In the comment section though, you guys have questioned me still. Is it possible to be paid to watch videos online? And are there any apps or websites for those? I'd like to inform you that, yes, there are real apps or websites for it. In this video, I will be showing you a few websites that will pay you to watch videos. I will be introducing to you 5 websites wherein you can get paid to watch videos. As a disclaimer, I want to emphasize to you that engaging in these websites won't rack in a ton of cash. There is that great possibility that you would barely make $1 each day by watching videos. However, this specific topic does bring in a lot of interest to people, so let's get into that. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. Now, let's get right into the video. As mentioned above, people on YouTube have mentioned a lot of times that anyone is able to create hundreds of dollars just by watching videos. And as I highlighted a while ago, just merely watching videos will not rack in a ton of cash. Making money through watching videos is very much possible. Anyone pitching to you that you can get a few dollars each hour just by watching videos either doesn't know what they are saying or they're trying to mislead you. First off, let me introduce you to the website Earnably. Now, if you're wondering, is it possible to generate $7 to $10 each hour just by video watching on Earnably? The answer to that, unfortunately, is no. Of course, as advertised, you are able to create money with Earnably. Do be advised that the commission you get from watching videos on this website will only get you cents. It's not even a whole dollar. I have gotten my paid commissions from this website before, so I believe that's proof enough that this website does fund you at some point. This is also true for so many people who applied here. The next website is Swagbucks. Now, this website is more known than the other websites I will be mentioning here. Swagbucks has been around for the past 10 years, and because of that, the website has gotten so big. Approximately $730 million has been issued out to users. I will also be getting my commission from Swagbucks soon enough. It's not much, but it's still money nonetheless. Watching videos isn't the only thing that you need to do to create money here on Swagbucks. You may also shop online, fill out your profile, take a survey, and play games to get some money out of Swagbucks. This also goes for other websites that are similar to Swagbucks. Some of these websites can even give you money by creating TikTok videos. However, they wouldn't give big payouts for these things. In all seriousness, should you want to create more income, signing up on the websites mentioned in this video and others similar to them is never a bad thing. If you reside in a Western country, I am here to inform you that you will be able to find more opportunities there than dabbling in these websites. However, these websites are better than just staying at home lying on the couch and watching TV. Before we move on to the rest of the video, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Next up is InboxDollars. I've seen from YouTubers that it's possible to get $20 every hour on this website and then promote the website. In terms of living in the US, you won't be able to create $20 each hour. Living in the UK will give you a bonus of $5 if you sign up. Other countries also do offer the sign-up bonus, but not every country does that. You guys have asked me a lot about websites such as Earnably and Swagbucks and if they really earn money, considering how they are on an international scale. The answer is it doesn't matter where you are in the world, it works everywhere. InboxDollars is considered to be one of the older websites, together with Earnably and Swagbucks. All 3 of these websites have proven themselves to have given lots of payouts to the people who apply to their websites. Should you be worried to not get your commission despite you doing the tasks assigned to you? Worry not. I can assure you that these websites are legitimate and that you will get money from them if you apply. Moving on to the fourth one, Timebucks is another website wherein you can get paid to watch videos. I advise you not to visit this website. Your valuable time may be better spent elsewhere than on this website. However, Timebucks is quite fine as well if you're just doing nothing at home or if $5 is sufficient enough for you. Some people find $5 to be enough for them already. However, this does not guarantee people to generate $5 each day. It's very much possible, but there is a lot of work and effort that needs to be done here. Because of that, Timebucks wouldn't be the best choice here. It is still a website that gives legitimate cash. If you're just lazing around at home or watching TV, I would suggest you take some time from that and dedicate it to you going on Timebucks. There are so many other options better than Timebucks though. There have been reviews by people on Trustpilot that amounted to the average star rating of 4 out of 5 stars. These are similar to InboxDollars, Swagbucks, and Earnably. Just like the first 4 websites mentioned in this video, iRazoo is another website that pays people to watch videos. The average rating for iRazoo is significantly lower than Timebucks, amounting to 3.3 stars out of 5. Timebucks, as stated beforehand, is a 4 out of 5. There is obviously a huge difference between the two. Let's take a pause from the video. We produce videos weekly in our channel, and so to be able to get updates from us, we advise you to subscribe to our channel. This is so that you'll be one of the first people to see what other tips and tricks we have that can help you earn money online. Comment below should you have questions or other money generating strategies that you wish to understand. Now, let's go back to the tips and tricks portion of this video. As far as tips and tricks go, this one is not that hard to follow. When getting paid to watch videos online, I suggest that you watch educational videos. I think this kind of video will teach you more ways to make money online than just merely watching random videos. I suggest watching educational videos that involve creating money online and the skills needed for that, as well as affiliate marketing. Creating your own YouTube videos and skills similar to that would also be beneficial to you. These could eventually lead you to learning how to create $50 to $300 in a day, more even. Skill improvement is one of the greatest investments that you can make. That will be a difficult journey for you though, but it's all worth it in the end. A lot of people just want to do something quick, such as watching videos. They become content with just that. If you're ready and you think you don't want to do just those, then you should make the decision to invest in your skills to be able to gain more money. That's it for today's video on the different websites that will pay you to watch videos for them. Again, as I mentioned earlier, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. Good luck and see you in our next video.